Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm bringing you an awesome DIY. This is a tablecloth that I made for my dining room table for Thanksgiving, and today I'm going to show you how to make the matching napkins to go along with it. Now, first, before I get into the project, I'll tell you a couple things. I used a painter's drop cloth from Home Depot. And I'll tell you, the fabric on it is thick. It's beautiful. It's better than any tablecloth I've bought at a regular home decor store. And it comes completely seamed, all the edges, nicer than any tablecloth I've bought at a home decor store. So I am so glad that I purchased it. Very affordable. Just a little under $13, and even if you didn't DIY it, just used it as a regular farmhouse, if you will, tablecloth, it's perfect. So I made that already, but I'm going to show you by making the napkin that coordinates with it how I did it, because I did not do a video when I made it. So I Mickey Mouse this whole thing together. When you see how I Mickey Mouse this together now, a lot of you professionals may have much better ideas than me, but this is just how I thought to do it. And I'm using my glass coffee table in my formal living room. I put together a makeshift light using a floodlight that I use on the front of the house at Christmas. I just stuck it in a clay planter's pot with a piece of green styrofoam to give me an uplight. I'm printing out, and you'll see this in the tutorial, I'm printing out the word that I wanted to use, which I'm using thankful, on a piece of paper, just a regular piece of computer printer paper, because you want it thin, because we're going to shine the light up underneath of it. And then you're going to lay either your tablecloth or your napkin, whatever you choose to do. So you want to use a permanent marker as well. And of course I chose black. You want to wash the drop cloth first, or your napkins, whichever you're doing, and then iron them. You want them nice and flat, so when you're doing your words, there's no bumples in there or whatever. Then after you finish it, you want to go back and turn it on the reverse side. Place a pressing cloth underneath so the ink doesn't get on your ironing board cover. And then at a very low setting on your iron, then you're going to press the word that you just put onto your tablecloth or napkin, and that just makes it permanent. So this is a fun project and just a great way to doll up your Thanksgiving table. And you could do it for any holiday. I mean, I was thinking about, oh, you could do merry and bright and jingle and whatever for Christmas as well. You could use red markers or red and green. Just let your imagination go. So, alrighty, let me get into the tutorial. Alrighty, I used a Word program in my computer. And then I just picked the word I wanted to use, and I tried different fonts, and then I printed out the one that I wanted. I'm going to show you my little, now don't laugh, my little Mickey Mouse, how I put this all together, but all right, I forewarned you. So there's my glass coffee table. Here's my outdoor floodlight. Put it in a piece of green styrofoam in a planter's pot, just a clay pot. I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, you can see I have the light down underneath. I have my paper over the top of it so it's shining through. I'm going to lay my napkin over it. Now I'm folding my napkin in half to see where the center is. and where I want that word, because I want it just on the bottom corner of the napkin. And then I'm just going to take my permanent marker, just a Sharpie, and I'm just going to go around the edges of the word and trace it. So basically you're just coloring in the outline that you just made. And that's exactly how I made my tablecloth. I went completely around it. I used 4 words on one side and 2 on the ends. Kind of straighten it out so you can see it. And here's a better view. And you can see I chose different fonts for each word. Here it is all set for dinner. So happy with this project. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like projects like this, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and have a blessed day.